Hello, welcome back to another episode of the Dia Talks, and this is me, Dia. So today we are out here in a shop called St. Francis, which is actually kind of famous in India, at least in Kerala. I don't know about other parts of India. So we are here to buy some stationeries. It's basically a stationery shop, and almost every kind of stuffs are available here. So we are here to buy, some whiteboards for my mom because she's a teacher, as you guys know, I think. And we are going upstairs because they told that it is available only in the upstairs. So finally, we have reached on top after all this way. I mean, the stairs was pretty much big and long. Okay, so let me just tell you a story that this was one of my favorite spot when I was a kid, maybe 2 years back, during my school days where I used to purchase for all the school stuffs, the fancy pencil boxes and with the switches and fancy razors and something stuffs like that. But it was so pretty, and I used to love them, and I really miss them because in college I cannot carry all these stuffs. They'll just call me nuts. And yeah, this was the boxes I was talking about. Let's just roam around the shop. Like it's been like few years since I have came here, and all these books. Oh my god, I really miss them. Like the classics and all, the Panchatantra and stuff like that. And this was one of my favorite tiffin box. Oh my god. So yeah, I used to buy all these when I was a kid. For all the kind of competitions, art competitions and stuff like that. I no longer need this. And the pencil. Oh my god, it's so pretty. How can someone not buy this? Especially a kid like me who's just 20. So let's just move on to my favorite part of wall store, which is kind of, productivity books and all these diaries and stuffs like that. So here is a reminder for you: dream big, work hard. Hope you guys know that I own my own productivity store, which has got customized books and diaries and journals where you can buy definitely in your own name or like in your logo or whatever stuffs. And so here is another reminder: do something today. Yeah, whatever. And this book was really cool. This is actually a book from Factor Notes, which is similar to my shop. And these are just planners. I'm really obsessed with this kind of stuffs, but unfortunately I couldn't buy that one because that was kept as a sample. That black book, no, that was kept as a sample and I couldn't buy this. And this one is another favorite part of my one. And this one, I have this book which was gifted by my long lost friend. And uh, yeah, this book, the section is actually, oh my god, my favorite person, Jay Shetty. I'm his big fan. I used to hear, not used to, I still hear his podcast on purpose with Jay Shetty. It's really cool and it's really inspiring. Um, and yeah, I found this person, Joseph, and Amrita is actually an RJ. Um, his book is cool too. I mean, the words he speak are really inspiring. I mean, his talks are really great. And let's just move on to another section. Oh my god, this paint section. I hope you guys can see this. Oh my god, even though I don't know how to draw, I'm a worst drawer. All kinds of canvas are available here too. Oops, is it more like a promo video of the shop? Maybe I should stop this, but I cannot stop because it's really pretty and aesthetic. So this was a kind of pouches and pencil boxes, which I told earlier. The one which we used to show off in front of our classmates, the fancy ones. Oh my God, I miss those days. I was really innocent and childish. So now we are in a section mainly for kids, the doodle book and all. Um, I don't know what I'm doing, but I just went blind because of these cutes, and I don't know what that is. I hope you guys can see the Doras and prince and princesses, and yeah, that's tables, for kids, not for grown up like us. Definitely multiplication. And that is Nancy Drews and all those adventure wala. I miss this Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I used to have a lot of collection about this. My friends used to gift, and a series of it is available. I miss those. I mean, I miss everything because it's literally like a nostalgia coming back here. That's a pocketbook I'm holding. Okay, so somebody just wrote a book called Smart Maths. I don't think it's smart. So I just came back here to show my favorite book. This one.
Not this much. So mix. ഒന്നും കൂടി വാ. അവിടുന്ന് പറ്റത്തുന്നു.
So after the stationery shopping, we are at a shop called Tops, which is for tops and other kinds of wares, it's similar to the Sarojini Nagar, the one in Delhi or whatsoever. It's actually so cheap, all these clothes, starting from 40 rupees onwards. You cannot believe it, right? It starts with from 40 rupees. So I just found the super cute black dress which is topped now with the white shrug. I don't know, wherever I go I just end up buying black things. I really don't know if you have noticed, every video that I have done is actually me wearing black ones, and this one.
Okay.